I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a package from Scotland. Not too long ago, Beth Ramsden had a video where she made these little dresses, and then she offered them for sale on her site. I had got there early. I'm opening so carefully because I don't want to cut anything. I got there early in the morning, and I saw this little outfit I loved. I told Darren, I said, I really want to get this. He's like, get it. And I didn't. I was doing other things, and I was looking at it, and I think things over, believe it or not. And I went back, and Darren said, you better get that because it's going to be gone. She only had 4 of the little outfits in different colors. And sure enough, I went back later, it was gone. So I was talking to Beth, we were emailing, and I told her, and she's like, I can make you one. So God love her, she did. And Lissa, you will recognize this outfit because it's the one you bought for your Blythe, or one of the ones. Isn't that adorable? Look at the details of this dress. Not only do I absolutely love these sleeves, oh, and that collar, look how cute. This is made with snaps. Beth Ramsden's items are top of the line. I mean, the benchmark. It has 2 snaps in the back, and they are those little invisible snaps. I love those. Look at the workmanship in this. Oh, just gorgeous. And Beth has a new, well, I think it's new. I didn't notice these before. How's that? She has her own label now, which she should. What I love are the little bitty bow, little bitty buttons, and this acorn. So Daisy is still in her little summer outfit for riding bikes. Beth Ramsden actually made this ice cream for another gift that she had sent, and this adorable, this is one of my favorite t-shirts. Daisy wears this a lot, but she needed a little fall outfit. Let's get her dressed. I was going to put Daisy in a stand and redo her hair. I redo it when she changes clothes. But I want you to see the quality of this dress. It is absolutely gorgeous. It is so well made, as well as the little leggings. Look how cute. I mean, front and back. That is so cute. Daisy will not be going out on her bike in this outfit. But we have company coming from out of town. Actually, we have 2 companies coming from out of town. And my dolls are going to look so high dollar in their little outfits. I wanted to point out, too, that I was talking about the cute t-shirt. I absolutely love that. And the lollipop. Beth also made these little shorts. And look at that. Not only do they have pockets, they have, look at this, deep. Oh, that's too fat. No, it's not. There it goes. These are deep pockets. I mean, you could actually put doll accessories in there. Look at that. And the back, I wish I had my fingernails. They broke. The back pockets work too. And this fits like a glove. You saw it on her. I just wanted to point that out. And I wanted to tell you about my little couch. If you're in the USA, I got this couch at the Dollar Tree for $1. And it's the one piece of furniture that a Blythe doll can sit on or lay on, and it holds her head. I really like it. I went back and I actually bought more. Beth, oh, for those of you looking for good, high quality, I always say Beth is the benchmark of a seamstress. And if you're looking for high quality clothing for your Blythe dolls, these actually fit other dolls too. Take a look at Beth Ramsden's site. We will leave a link below to Beth's channel. You should also subscribe to her as well as me. Thank you for watching, and please leave a like and a comment.